In this video, I'm going to share a crucial setting you should enable on your Windows PC to protect yourself from cybercriminals and phishing scams. Phishing emails are a common tactic used by hackers to trick you into downloading malware onto your system. To protect yourself, enable file extensions on your Windows PC. This simple setting allows you to see the true file type of attachments before opening them. By knowing whether a file is a Word document, PDF, or executable, you can avoid falling victim to phishing scams. To enable file extensions on Windows 11, click on View in File Explorer, hover over Show, and select File Name Extensions. For older versions, click on the three-dot menu, select Options, go to the View tab, and uncheck Hide Extensions for known file types. By enabling file extensions, you can easily identify potential threats and delete them before they can cause harm to your system. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.